Hi, my name is Maria, and I'm here again to talk about weight loss. One important factor for weight loss is adequate water intake. According to some of the information I have read, if you drink 8 glasses of water on a daily basis, you can speed up your fat burning by 3%. If I, for example, burn 2,000 calories a day and I want to speed up my fat burning by 3%, I would lose 60 calories a day just from proper water intake. Water helps with fat breakdown. That's the process called lipolysis. Now, if I drank enough water, I would lose 1 pound every 2 months. That's 6 pounds a year just from proper water intake, according to these studies. So that's one fun secret that you can use, that models use, at least I've seen them drink tons of water on TV, to lose weight and break down fat. But water not only does these things, it helps cleanse your body. We're exposed to so many toxins today from food in the form of pesticides, in the air in the form of pollution, and even through perfumes, soaps that have estrogenic properties. So just to help your organs function properly, you should probably make sure that you are taking in enough water on a daily basis. Of course, if you are exercising or living in a very hot area, I'm sure your water intake would go up because you would be sweating a lot of this water out through your skin to cool down. I remember when I was working out for hours at a time that I would drink a couple of liters of water at a workout. That's crazy, right? But that's how much water I had to drink. And I think I was just sweating it out. Seriously. So, when you exercise and for weight loss purposes, make sure that you have your basics down. And the primary thing you should be taking care of, number 1, is proper water intake. And the second thing is minerals. Now, minerals you can get from your multivitamin, which I feel is important if you have cut your food intake. A multivitamin will usually give you added minerals and vitamins, and some even put herbs in it. For example, mine has Siberian ginseng, which is an adaptogen, and it has enzymes added, healthy oils. All of these things will help you function better without the added calories. And it will help you maintain your health and your immune system, and help with this added stress on your body from lowered caloric intake and increased exercise. There are 4 things I would like to address concerning food, and the first one is carbohydrates. You need carbohydrates. What we don't need is too many. Carbohydrates help your brain function properly, your muscles function properly, and you use it for energy. It's just the type of carbohydrates that you want and when you want them. For example, like I talked about before on my first video, changing the type of carbohydrate from simple to complex, that just means that if it's simple, the chemical is really short, it's a short chain, and it's easy to break down and absorb in the blood. If it's complex, it has a chain of sugars, which is harder for your body to break down, and it takes longer for your metabolism to utilize it and for it to go into your blood. The thing about complex carbohydrates is that it will give you energy longer, it will keep you from energy crash. You know how you drink sugar in the morning sometimes with your coffee, and you feel great for a little bit because it boosts certain neurotransmitters in your brain, but then you crash and then you feel yucky. So just to keep your energy going longer and stronger, complex carbohydrates are great. So that's the first thing I wanted to address, carbohydrates. And I think I mentioned the glycemic index, which I think everyone should look at to try and find out better ways to eat. Okay, or to eat more strategically. The second one is protein. Protein you use in the synthesis of hormones to make up your skin, your hair, your bones. It's in every cell of your body, and you need this to be taken in adequate amounts, or your body will start breaking down the protein that you have in your body because it needs it for certain functions. For example, a lot of people who try and lose weight, who forget to take in adequate protein amounts, start breaking down the tissue of their muscles. And strategically, this is a mistake, because your muscles burn more calories than do any other types of cells in your body. That's why strength training is so important. You need to maintain your muscle mass so that you can adequately burn those unwanted calories and lose weight. Besides that, exercise helps maintain your mood. Exercise even controls which genes you have in use at a certain time, and that addresses a field of study called epigenetics. The third thing I would like to address is minerals. Minerals are responsible also for example, the production of certain kinds of antioxidants in your body, which help deal with the stress of metabolism. Metabolism produces free radicals that damage cells, and this can give you a sense of fatigue after working out if you don't have adequate antioxidant or mineral intake. It also helps you form every part of your body as well, like your bones, your hair, your skin. For example, you use copper and zinc to form your skin. If you are low on that, you might have problems with your skin. Now the last thing I wanted to address, what was it? Fat. There are a few main types of fat, and I forget what kind they are now, but there are those considered healthy fat and unhealthy fat. The main unhealthy fat is hydrogenated fat, and the secondary unhealthy fat is rancid fat. Fat, that's like a food product in your refrigerator you left too long and it went bad. Hydrogenated fat is chemically altered fat that has been altered in such a way to stay stable and stay on your store shelves longer while maintaining taste, but it's not exactly that healthy for you. As you know, a lot of companies are changing to healthy fats to compete and get you to buy their products. And then I want to address with fats the different ways your body metabolizes them. Some fats, let's say coconut oil, which is a medium chain triglyceride, that just means it's chemically in the middle, not too long, not too short, burns really well in your body. Some fats don't burn as well. Omega fats help with your immune system function, omega-3. Some you use to build hormones, and there's lots of things. Besides being the most compact form of energy, which is what you really have to look out for, is controlling your fat intake and making sure that your fat intake is healthy fat. Some healthy fat sources are nuts, seeds, some fruits like avocados. You can even get a healthy fats from lean meats, like salmon or other things, which I will not go into now since it's already 11 minutes. Alright, I'll talk to you later, and hope you're doing well. Thank you.